how to make burger in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. Earth, wait a second, earth plus wind, we have dust, dust plus earth, we have planet, double fire, and we have volcano, volcano plus wind, we have eruption, earth plus water, we have plant, eruption plus planet, we have Mars, Mars plus plant, we have potato, potato plus volcano. Wait a second, please. Where it is? Here we have French fries, fire plus French fries. We have McDonald's, and McDonald's plus fire. We have burger. So that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.